Dudula Nhlanhla Lux Dlamini u sole swinene maphorisa. Advocate Khumalo or maphorisa va wendle ku ri a va na ntshembo wa leswaku nandzu wu ta yisa emahlweni namuntlha. Dlamini a nga langutana na milandzu yo tshova endlwini, vukhamba no onha nhundzu.
They've taken their 48 hours grace period to bring him on Monday. But yesterday they've assured us that they were going to bring him today. So that's why we are here. We thought that, by today we'll be ready to go. So unfortunately, we'll wait for them on Monday. They'll find us here. We'll be ready on Monday.
Hi Ravunharhu mudyuhari u mangale nandzu wo tshoviwa endlwini ehenhleni ka Dlamini emaphoriseni ya le Soweto. Wanuna u hehla loko a bohe swirho swa Dudula endzhaka swilo swa ku ri u xavisa swidzidziharisi.
Dudula, they are not legal practitioners. All they do, they call the police. If the police, I'm not saying they didn't get a search warrant. If they didn't get a search warrant, that cannot be placed on the door of Dudula. Dudula goes to the police and says, we want to do a search warrant. Like as honorable citizens, we've seen somebody selling drugs. Here he is. Come, let's go together.
Swirho swa Dudula a swi ri kombiseni ka ku vilela ehandle ka xitichi xa maphorisa eJoni laha Dlamini a nga pfaleriwa kona.